for the eyes. I'm going to go in with Too Faced Shadow Insurance to make sure it stays and locked in place all day. And I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner, and it's kind of hard for me to explain how to do a wing. It just takes time and practice. So let me just quick put one of those on my lid. So I just start on my lid first, and then I'll go to the outer corner and make a line of how far I want it to go. So I'll go a little down and then connect it to my lash line. Again, I don't know if that makes any type of sense, but that's the best way I know how to explain how to do a wing eyeliner. Then I'm gonna go in with one of my colorful eyeliners. I got this off Amazon. I'm just gonna go in with the light blue. So basically I just go above on top of the black liner, and it like really gives it like a nice pop. So just like that. Look, you could drop it down here if you want. It's totally up to you, your preferences. And then I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner. I'm gonna use the telescopic mascara from Flirty. And then it's all for my makeup. So just a little pop of blue, and it makes this so fun and flirty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.